Our problem is 20 minus 4 divided by 3 times 5 plus 1. According to the PEMDAS, we must do this parenthesis first. So 20 minus 4 equals 16. And our problem becomes 16 divided by 3 times 5 plus 1. Again, according to the PEMDAS, we must do this parenthesis first. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. And our problem becomes 16 divided by 3 times 6. According to the order of operations, we must do this division first, then this multiplication. So 16 divided by 3 can be written as 16 over 3 times 6. Okay, 16 divided by 3 times 6 over 1. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1 and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And our final equation becomes 16 times 2, which equals to 32.